tax groups. In this video we will discuss how to reorder tax rates. You can go to taxes and we will create new tax group. Now I want to add SSCL 2.5 and VAT 8. However, according to this order, SSCL 2.5% will be the first tax and VAT 8% is the second tax. So if you want to make VAT 8 as the first tax, you can just drag and drop before the SSCL 2.5. Now here our first tax is VAT 8 and second tax is SSCL 2.5. I'll enter the tax group name and save. Now I'll go to quotes and select item, enter the rate, and here I select tax group as VAT 8 plus SSCL 2.5. Now you can see VAT 8% is first tax and SSCL 2.5 is the second tax. So if you want to rearrange the order, you can rearrange from just drag and drop.